know, the baggy pants that I got in New York. This that I thrifted a long time ago. I think it's like last year. It's been like a year, or maybe 2 years actually. The Kinzo Paris that I thrifted last time. Just a blank Uniqlo t-shirt. And this Uniqlo bag that I got as a gift. It looks small, but it fits so much inside. It's super big. I think a couple of you guys already know, but Vancouver is a city where it's like always raining. So it doesn't really snow in winter, but it's always raining. So I guess that's one thing that sucks, because it's always raining, but it's not that bad. Okay, so started off everything. Let me just say, I haven't been able to go thrifting for like a couple months now because I couldn't really buy a lot of clothes. The reason is because I was living in Ottawa for like September, October, November until like December. I'm moving to Toronto in January, so I can't really buy too much clothes because like I can't move all of this into Toronto. Of course I can, but I want to keep it at like 1 or 2 suitcases max. And if I buy too much clothes in the past months, it's gonna go up to like 3-4 suitcases just for clothes that I could have just not bought. So in that case, I can just save money, wait till I'm in Toronto, and then go thrifting in Toronto. So that's the reason I haven't been able to go thrifting too much. Right now I'm in Vancouver, as you guys know. My family lives here, which is why I'm here for Christmas break and everything. I couldn't resist myself from going to a thrift store at least once, because there's so many good thrift stores in Vancouver. Not gonna lie, the lighting in my house is kind of shit. If I look like shit, I usually don't look like shit. It's the lighting. Trust me, please, please, please trust me. If you don't trust me, please just go look at my Instagram, please. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the first clothes that I got. It's a Ralph Lauren shirt with the US flag right here. It says Polo Sport. It's like a small fit shirt, so it fits pretty small. Like even on me, I'm a small person. Well, I'm not a small person. I'm not a tall person. I'm not short, but I'm not tall. You know what I mean? Kind of happy with this. It was like, I think it was 20 bucks. Not bad. Very simple for summer. Okay, so for this video, I'm gonna rate each purchase that I bought. Wait, no, that's not English. For this video, I'm gonna rate each item that I got based on the price, comfort, how rare the item is, like how rare it is to find it at a thrift store, and just the style, the design in general. And then I'm gonna rate this out of 100. So, and then give a score just so that it's more like entertaining for you guys. Rate this a 91 out of 100. Anyway, okay, so next item that I got is this. You guys already know, Stussy. In the inside, there's like small. It's a bit dirty in the inside, but that's like the only, outside doesn't really look bad. You can't really see it. That's the only reason why it was cheap. Same price as the Ralph Lauren. Insane. Designs, simple Stussy, but it's not like the ugly one. Because sometimes there's like some ugly Stussy t-shirts. This gets like a 97 out of 100. Next item that I purchased is this. A low-key oversized big sweater. It's knitted. It's from Zara. Kind of, it's cool. It's really simple. This was 20 bucks as well. So far, everything is 20 bucks. Price is not cheap, but it's not expensive. It's like in between. And I'm gonna rate this a 88. 88. The reason why I rate this at 88 is because I kind of wanted to buy a sweater that's a bit smaller, not small, but like a bit smaller than this one. It fits good, but it's a bit big. Next item that I got at the thrift store is this. I'm not sure if you guys can see like the texture of like the jeans on this thing, but you can see it's like well designed. I like this. It's not too big. It fits very well, which is why it's like the main reason why I bought it. I'm rating this a 90 out of 100. Price wise, it was a bit cheaper actually than the other ones. It was like 18. I'll show you guys how everything fits on me. Okay, so next item that I got this as a gift, so I didn't buy this, so the price doesn't matter, it's priceless. Adidas Originals jeans. It's very wide. Can you guys see that? It's insanely wide, which I love. Details on this jeans. So there's 3 pockets, small, medium, big. So it gets bigger. You know, obvious the 3 stripes all the way down. Behind is pretty simple. It's just 2 pockets and that's it. This is one of my favorite gifts ever. I love this. Next item that I got is this. I don't really need to explain. You guys know the brand. Louis Vuitton from France. So as you can see, Louis Vuitton, LV. It looks legit on the side as well. Louis Vuitton here as well. Inside looks like this. So as you can see, it's Louis Vuitton everywhere. The main thing that made me buy this is this part. It says, so let me read it out, okay? It says Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. Made in France. Are you serious? It means it's legit. Parce que ça vient de France, quoi. When I saw that this thing was made in France, I was like, damn, it's legit. So I bought it for 35, which is very cheap when you think about it. A vintage old Louis Vuitton bag that's still no damage already with the tag on. I'm not really a big fan of those, like, you know, the normal one that everyone has, the brown Louis Vuitton bag. I prefer the black one because it's a bit more like casual. Because, you know, I don't want to show off like, oh look, I'm wearing Louis Vuitton. Oh my god, I'm not really like that. Because you can't, at first glance, you don't really know it's Louis Vuitton until you like see the side. You're like, oh shit, it's Louis Vuitton. Okay, so I'm gonna be making pasta for dinner. First of all, you have to boil some water, add some salt, so do that. While you're waiting, you can make your sauce. I don't have garlic right now with me, so that's an issue. If you do have garlic, use actual garlic so you can cut the garlic and everything. But I'm gonna use this here. I'm gonna use this because I don't have actual garlic, so I can't. That's the only option I have. Let's add the pasta. That's probably enough for one person. Maybe even too much, but that's okay. I can eat a lot, or I can even save it for another time. So that's fine. all you need to do is literally butter. So you need butter, right? So you need butter. Whatever butter you have, just use the butter you have. For one person, probably like one like this, 1, 2, maybe like this, 3. That should be enough. For one person, that's enough. Maybe a bit more. You can actually use this at medium heat. You don't have to do high heat because it's gonna like burn everything. So that's good. Now add the garlic. Add a generous amount. I would say, yeah, I like that. You can add your tomatoes now. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And wait till the tomatoes like heat up. And once it's like squishy, you can like squish them so that it doesn't stay in like shape. Try to squish so that it doesn't go everywhere. So you don't want the kitchen to be all dirty, right? As you can see, it's like that. Yeah, look at that. As you can see, didn't really make a mess. I did a great job. I'm proud of myself. Anyway, as you can see, the sauce is coming in today. Add some salt. Not too much because it's gonna be too salty. Pasta's done, so you can do that. If possible, keep some pasta water so you can put it a little bit in. Like that. Milk. Like that. Yeah, that's good. If the color of the sauce is like orange-ish, then it's perfect. And then you can add your pasta sauce. So any sauce you have, I'm just gonna use this one because it's the only one I have right now. Open it up, add just a little bit like that so it doesn't taste like pasta sauce too much. Now at this point, you can add the pasta in. So you have the pasta you made earlier, you can put that in, boom. And then, it's not done. I'm not done, guys. I'm not done. You add the cheese on top, right? Boom. That cheese should melt in pretty quickly. You can use whatever cheese you have. I chose this like Swiss cheese that's like kind of strong because I like cheese. So I want the taste to be in it. Okay, it's done. The finished pasta should look like this. As you can see, it's really creamy. いただきます。Oh, look at that. That's so good. So I'm in a city that I don't really know a lot of things about, all by myself, with already having friends in the city. I have a couple friends here in Vancouver, but they're not here or I can't meet them, so it's kind of complicated. So I'm basically all alone for like 1 week. How can you enjoy being alone for a couple days or even like a couple months? So what's a couple things that you can do to enjoy being alone? I was thinking about it because I'm not someone that enjoys being alone, not gonna lie. I don't like being alone. I love people. It's not because I'm introverted or anything. It's just I prefer being with people because I like to socialize. I like to talk. I like to go out. I like all that stuff. Someone like me that likes that stuff, and I'm sure there's a lot of you that don't really like being alone. What can you do to like, not to like, but like what can you do to enjoy being alone? A couple tips that I can give to enjoy being alone is to have a reason to go out. Instead of going out without really having a reason, you don't really know why you're going out, I would say just have a reason to go out. For example, like today I went out to go shopping or going thrifting, so I can enjoy going out. Or you can go to a cafe to study. You can go sightseeing or something. If you go out just because you want to go out and you don't really have a reason, you're just gonna get bored. You guys are probably thinking, okay, then if you don't have a reason to go out, are you supposed to stay home all day? Sure. I mean, you know, you could go for a walk and then come back. I'm not sure if it counts as going out because it's only like 30 minutes or an hour. So yeah, I guess go for a walk in the morning or something, come back, and then when you're back, try to find a hobby. You can try to draw or cook or, you know, knit or anything. Or, you know, you can even play video games all day if you want. you can watch movies, you can start a YouTube channel. The only time you can do all of that shit is when you're alone. If there's your friends and everything, that's distraction for stuff that you want to do. If you're gonna do something that you want to enjoy by yourself, you have to be by yourself. So it's a good thing to be alone sometimes, I would say. You have to. So basically what I'm trying to say is, if you're alone, yes, you don't have to wake up at a certain time, so you can just wake up at whatever time you want. But I would say you should wake up early so that you can do whatever you want during the day, instead of waking up at 3 p.m. and sleeping at 5 a.m. and just, eating junk food all day. I do it sometimes as well. It's just that at a certain point, if you do that too much every day, you're gonna become depressed, or you're just gonna lose motivation to do anything else. The bad thing about losing motivation to do stuff is that it's hard to go back to where you were before. It's so much easier to not lose motivation than to lose motivation and then to come back. I'm almost done eating, so I'm gonna stop talking. But all I want to say is that if you're in a situation where you have to be alone and you're not used to it, try to find stuff to do at home, hobbies. When you go out, go for a reason.